There's a 2008 BMW 3 Series, and just an example of how these European cars plastics break all at the same time. So once the oil cooler goes, it saturates all the plastics, and it makes the plastic extremely brittle. And this one, for example, broke right at the flange, right here. You can see how the oil cooler, when it failed, it mixed a whole bunch of coolant and oil together. So, unfortunately, this car came in a week ago for the water pump thermostat. Replaced that without replacing any of the hoses. Consider replacing all your hoses. And I'm assuming my boss did not learn his lesson, so he ordered only one hose. So this thing will be back, guaranteed, for a third time. If you don't replace all the coolant system components, you're just going to be chasing your tail. So. That hose will break next, guaranteed. Sucks. BMW owners are really cheap, especially old BMW owners. Not an age, but you know, like if a car is old, they're leased vehicles, man. But I guess that's all we're doing. All right, fill it all up. No vacuum machine necessary. The key in. The heater will go into diagnostic mode. There. Heater at level 1, blower motor at level 1, max heat. Press on the brake and gas at the same time for 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you want to do this, it says for like 10 to 15 minutes until you stop seeing it kind of squirt. It goes from different percentages. It turns the pump on to 10% all the way up to 100% and goes through all its PWMs and duty cycles just to get all the air bubbles out of the system. So you can hear that. A lot of air coming out. And as this stick drops, just add some coolant.